Hey there, and welcome to the Google Classroom overview. For this activity or video, we're going to start on the dashboard. Your dashboard's going to look a little bit differently because it'll have all the classes that you are in. Let's pretend you're in my first period class, so we click on that. The first thing you're going to see is the stream. The stream in my class is strictly for announcements. So this is things that might be going on in the classroom, due dates, deadlines, extra credit opportunities, anything that's announcement wise will be on this page. You also have where you can see upcoming due dates there as well. So to find my classwork, you have to go to this little classwork tab right here. The way that this is mapped out is to kind of give you a easier way to find your things. So the first thing and most important thing is going to be your agenda. So you will click on that and pull it up. This is your agenda for the entire week, so it has everything that you need on there. Things that are labeled in class, that's my students that are physically in the classroom. Things that are labeled virtual learners. Virtual learners, you are the ones that are sitting at home doing everything virtually. And then all students are both my virtual learners and my in-person students. And just make sure that you are clicking all hyperlink material and completing all tasks each day. So the first thing for in-class students would be introductions. For virtual learners, your first thing will be to read the information for the upcoming school year. So all of these little hyperlinked things right here, this is for you to go through. These are things that I will be going through with the people that are in person. So you'll click these, click on them, and you will read through your PowerPoints or your Google Slides. And then I have built-in brain breaks here. So this is just for you to take about 5 minutes to yourself, take a break, and then come back. So virtual students, you'll click here for your welcome video. It's linked through the YouTube account. You'll click here to view your syllabus, and we'll talk about your syllabus in a moment. And you'll just keep going through. And so this is Monday and Tuesday's work. Then you have Wednesday and Thursday's work, and then Friday and the next Monday's work. That's how that's going to be laid out. If you have any questions about the agenda or you're confused about it, just as always, feel free to email me and I'll help you with it. So going back to the classroom, you also have a resources tab. The resources tab will have everything that you need in here throughout the year. So let's go ahead and take a look at the syllabus just really quick. You have to have the syllabus signed. So this is just telling you what we're going to be reading, and different policies that we have. Virtual learners, this is your go-to right here. These are all the rules that you have to follow during virtual learning. And then it has to be signed. You have to sign online. So you would click on this and follow the Google form to sign. You and your guardian have to sign it. This also has your virtual learning norms on here as well. So these are your rules and regulations as a virtual learner, or if something happened and everybody went virtual, they would follow these rules. These are from myself and Temple High School, and this is a living document, which means that it will be edited throughout the school year, so things might change, so make sure you keep an eye on that. We also have our plagiarism and late policies, and then we also have our netiquette guide, but there will be added resources throughout the year as we continue on. And then finally, each week you'll have your assignments under a week. So week 1. Not all of your assignments are here yet, but they will be. So this is where all of your assignments will be attached. You can also navigate this by this little side tab here. So instead of having to scroll all the way down, you can just click week 1 and it will pull up every assignment that you need. And it also shows you when they are due. For my class, I will assign you something. So let's say I assign it to you on Monday. It will not be due until the next time you step foot in my class that morning. So right now, since we're on block schedule, if I assign something to you on Monday, it would be due on Wednesday at the beginning of class. All right. And then you also have a tab right here where you can click and it shows you people in the class. And I'm not sure if you have a grades tab, but that's just how that works. So the most important is the stream and classwork. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. It's krista.watkins@carrollcountyschools.com.